psyche and matter connected? Certainly they are. Those who get nervous easily very often get problems with their heart. Does psyche influence matter, or matter influence psyche? Both. If you take medicine against depression, then it will raise your spirits, and vice versa. If your mood is nice, then your body feels great, without any medicine. How are matter and psyche connected? We do not know it yet. Carl Gustav Jung believed that psyche and matter are two faces of the one indivisible universe. He called that universe unus mundus. However, there is a borderland between psyche and matter, a very narrow area where psychic becomes material. Jung called that area a psychoid. Every person can get to a psychoid when he or she gets obsessed with very strong emotions. It can be passion. It can be unexpected insight. It may be fear too. An interesting fact: before starting their rituals, the Middle Ages witches read the Lord's Prayer backwards. Why on earth did they do such a thing? If we try to explain it scientifically, witches did it in order to get to that psychoid. Psyche and matter are the one thing there. So in such a condition, witches could make changes in the material world with their own minds. Why did those miserable women believe that reading the Lord's Prayer backwards would do such a trick to them? Because it was considered such a blasphemy in the Middle Ages. One could not do it without shitting one's pants. It was probably the most terrifying thing one could do in one's life. It gave witches their strongest emotion. It gave them fear. That fear opened the gates to a psychoid. Nowadays, unfortunately, humans' faith in the Lord is not as unquestionable and strong. So the majority of people maybe even won't get the idea of what is wrong with reading the Lord's Prayer backwards. So it means that it won't cause the desired effect, if you know what I mean. What will cause such an effect? I think saying to your boss that he is an asshole will certainly do. Especially during the pandemic time. Especially if you have a mortgage. But please don't do it unless you received an offer from Hogwarts. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell.